Welcome to ClearTask. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a Substack account, step by step, so you can start publishing your newsletters. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. Right in the center of the homepage, click on the orange Start Your Substack button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in and click Agree and Continue. Next, it is time to set up your profile. Enter your first and last name, and add a brief bio that tells your readers a little bit about who you are. Once you are done, click Continue. Next, you will claim your custom web URL. This is the exact link you will share with your audience. When everything looks good, click Continue. Substack will now ask if you want to import an existing email list from another platform. If you are starting fresh, simply click Skip for now. You can always do this later. It will also ask if you want to manually add a few friends to your initial subscriber list. You can add them or just skip this step as well, and that's it. Your Substack dashboard is now fully set up and ready to go. You can click New Post to start writing your very first newsletter. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.